Ever used a powerful AI tool only to hit a wall at payment or billing? Imagine if instead of slow invoices or clunky web dashboards, every AI query was built instantly, transparently, and trustlessly on the blockchain. What if machines, apps, or even AI agents could pay for the intelligence in real time with no human in the loop? Welcome to Unreal. That's exactly what we do. So all you need to get started with Unreal ecosystem is just connect your wallet, register it, and generate your API key. And here you go. You can use it just like any OpenAI SDK. You can use it with OpenAI SDK and so on. And you go live responses, very good latencies, and so on. So no more paying to hundreds and thousands of AI tools anymore. Just make one simple payment, and that's it. You can use it across all AI tools. So what is Unreal? So Unreal token is essentially a deflationary gas token for AI compute. So what does that mean? Like you pay Unreal and it disappears? Yeah, exactly. The provider, they can't use the Unreal token. It gets burnt instantly. And what provider gets is Unreal burn tokens, which can be redeemed at the TGE allocations of the next tier token. Like any other innovative solutions, we hit a brick wall when we couldn't figure out how can we be in different chains without actually being there. How can we figure out a way to accept payments from users across all the blockchains? And that's where we have pioneered a way of implementing CCIP with Fusion, exactly a fusion of Fusion Plus contracts, HLC, and the cross-chain swap implementation of 1inch. And I can't wait to present your solution. Welcome to Unreal Wormhole or Unreal CrossLink. So yeah, let's cross-chain swap Unreal token from either link testnet to near testnet. Let's go. So yes, the swap and Dutch auction, it's gonna take a while. So yeah, so we have combined the idea of essentially the cross-chain 1inch cross-chain protocol plus the 1inch Fusion Plus protocol to build our own cross-chain limit order swap. So essentially it's 1:1 swap, but it's a limit order swap. So yeah, that's so we iterated over different architectures with just cross-chain swaps and realized this is the best way to go if you want to integrate multiple chains and still want to confine the logic of resolvers at one place. So we have our solver logic all stored over here. So we have our solver running and it's executing. It's doing the Dutch auctions and everything, not just for one just with one chain pair. It's doing with multiple chains, interchain, etc. All kinds of combinations possible now. All thanks to HCLC plus Fusion Plus. So yeah, this is the intent, the standard implementation that we have gone through after referring to the 1inch Fusion Plus contract. And yeah, okay, now let's go back to. Okay, so our Dutch auction has been completed successfully by the resolver and the relayer working together. And yeah, here's our secret. And in the background, our UF logic has already processed the transaction. It has been successful. We have transferred one Unreal token, cross-chain swapped it essentially. So I also found the transaction from the resolver logs for technical reasons. I wasn't directly able to connect. It was like swap fire and it's all done. You have to accept it will be done in 1 minute. If it's not done, then it's gone because the validity of the swap is also 1 minute. So yeah, near transaction has also been processed. Either link transaction has been processed. We have successfully executed one cross-chain swap. So yeah. I'd like to take this opportunity to demo it. Although our UI is not complete, the UI integration is not complete, we can also demo it with Aptos, and like we already got the Unreal Aptos code. And yeah, you can essentially create an order. You start the solver manually. So yeah, fingers crossed. Either link to Aptos swap, so you get a generated secret every time the hash is here. Approval, contract approved. So you get the next steps here. Just initiate swap. So first you gotta lock your funds. So you do it manually here. The entire process that we did automated with Near, we do it manually here, just for the sake of demonstration. So yeah, you get a swap ID. Initiate the swap. Oh, wow, we got a transaction. Wow, awesome. And now we claim the swap. That's all. Oh. So we wrote this demo, killer demo, and we were able to replicate the results with, okay. There seems to be something missing. It's gonna take a while for the transaction confirmation. So you gotta wait. Or we gotta check our input once more. It's already generated. But yeah, we should see a swap, or we must have taken the wrong swap. So we take the transaction once more, and we take the swap ID from the events.